Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am here again with Wednesday activity, and this time we are not going to do any coloring work and we are not going to be an artist. So what we will do? So this week we are going to do best out of waste, because next week is the most awaited festive for we girls. That whole year we wait for this day so that we will tie Rakhi in our brother's hand, and in return we will get different gifts from our brothers. So yes, you got it right that today we are going to make Rakhi, and that will be totally out of waste material. I have taken out different materials from my waste collection so that we'll make different and unique Rakhis. So in this process we are going to use quilling strips. If you are not having quilling strips at home, no need to worry. What you can do, you can take out 2-3 colored papers from your scrapbook, and out of that just cut the long strips, and out of that you can make it. Apart from quilling strips, we are going to use pista shells, then some old beads. So how we will make different colorful Rakhis from these waste material? For that you have to wait and watch. It will be a special feeling when you will make Rakhi and then you will tie the same Rakhi in your brother's wrist. And for the base of our Rakhi, for that band which we tie in our brother's hand, for that we will use Kalava. In other words, we can say is Raksha Dhaga, which is easily available at your temple. And if it is not available, some old wools, if it is available there, you can use that. So let's begin today's activity.
All the items which we require for our today's activity are inside this box. These are quilling rolls which I have made already. These are quilling strips. Here you can see the base for Rakhi, pista shells, old beads, some more colorful old beads, roses, kalava or wool. For today's activity you will require scissors and Fevicol as well. So let's begin our today's activity. It is a quilling strip. Let's learn how to make a roll out of it. For giving petal shapes to these rolls, you have to press these rolls from one end. It will look like petal shape. After making petal shapes, you can start pasting. You can use different colors of your choice, or you can make it by one color only, that's up to you.
that were completely out of the waste. So make it, click it and send it to me. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and take good care of yourself.